Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Amazon kitchen gadgets that create space out of thin air, perfect for tiny kitchens or cluttered counters. From the 6-tier slim storage cart at $49.99 to the wall-mounted spice rack for just $21.99, these 7 game changers will transform your setup. Links in the description. I used to lose moments in cluttered corners, late nights searching for towels, spices, or a lost recipe. My tiny apartment felt crowded, chaotic, and oddly lonely. Then I found a slim hero that changed everything. 3HIO's 6-tier slim cart slid into a 6-inch gap. It fit between fridge and counter like a quiet friend. 6 ventilated mesh tiers held spices, towels, and toiletries neatly. No more cluttered counters. No more frantic searches. The black powder-coated metal looks modern, calm, and reliable. Sturdy mesh won't bend. Ventilated shelves stay dry always. 4 smooth swivel wheels glide quietly across tight floors. Lockable casters mean it stays put when I need stability. Assembly was simple, parts labeled clearly, instructions friendly and helpful. Customer support promised help within 24 hours if needed. I use it for spices, snacks, towels, and cleaning supplies. It becomes the calm spine of my kitchen and bathroom. Removable baskets make deep cleaning and rearranging effortless and quick. Place heavier items on bottom, cart stays steady and safe. For renters, parents, or tiny home lovers, it's pure freedom. It hides in narrow spaces, yet holds so much heart. The industrial minimalist look complements any modern decor effortlessly. Rust-resistant finish protects against water near sinks and washers. I love pulling a basket like opening a tiny drawer. Neighbors ask where I found this space-saving little miracle. It's affordable, durable, and designed for everyday gentle use. Every inch organized brings unexpected calm to daily life. If your home feels smaller than your dreams, try this. 3HIO's slim cart turned clutter into quiet living room poetry. It saved my mornings, evenings, and the smiles between. Bring home space, warmth, and calm. Click to buy now. What if your tiny bathroom suddenly felt spacious and calm? Meet the EUHOMY Slim Veer Tier Cabinet Vertical Genius. Only 7.9 inches wide, 70 inches tall. Huge storage. 4 separate compartments hide clutter and look beautifully minimal. Imagine towels, toiletries, cleaners, each with its own door. No more digging through boxes or tumbling stacks ever again. Adjustable shelves make tall shampoo bottles and small jars fit. Metal base lifts cabinet away from wet bathroom floors. Raised legs create under-cabinet clearance for quick sweeping. Hidden magnetic locks keep curious kids and pets out. Anti-tip bracket anchors the tower for secure stability. Leveling feet compensate uneven floors without wobble or fuss. Assemble in 40 minutes. Clear parts. Numbered instructions included. Careful packaging protects every piece, from knobs to panels. Arched panel doors and brass knobs add boutique hotel charm. Matte white finish blends with modern, classic, or playful decor. Slim footprint fits beside vanities, in hallways, or laundry corners. Use top shelf as a display or functional extra storage. Partitioned compartments make restocking toiletries fast and predictable. Customizable shelf increments adapt to bottles, towels, or baskets. Sturdy metal legs increase longevity and resistance to moisture. Perfect for small apartments, guest baths, condos, and nurseries. Retailers, an attractive, safe option for family-focused customers. Landlords and renovators save space without sacrificing aesthetic appeal. No visible clutter, every item gains a dedicated home. Small footprint, big organization. Vertical thinking wins the day. Ready to transform your tight spaces into calm, tidy sanctuaries? EUHOMY Slim Cabinet, clever design for everyday life. Order now to reclaim floor space and simplify routines. Click to buy. Small footprint, tall impact, home solved. You don't need bigger cabinets to organize effectively. I'm a home organization expert with years optimizing small spaces. Tight gaps and clutter waste valuable square footage daily. People think narrow gaps are unusable dead space, but the right slim cart unlocks hidden storage instantly. Meet the Lavish Home 3 Tier Slim Rolling Storage Cart. At just 5.7 wide, it fits tiny gaps. 4 smooth casters and a handle deliver effortless mobility. Durable MDF construction supports 15 pounds per shelf reliably. 3 tiered shelves handle toiletries, spices, snacks, or crafts. Traditional panelled white finish blends with any home style. Rolls smoothly on tile, carpet, and concrete floors. Perfect for dorms, holds textbooks, snacks, and toiletries. Tucks between fridge and counter to maximize narrow spaces. Side towel bar doubles as an ergonomic pull handle. Staggered shelf heights accommodate tall bottles and small jars. Each shelf supports up to 15 pounds without sagging. Tool-assisted assembly is straightforward and fast for anyone. In my kitchen, I reclaimed a full cabinet's worth. Before, cluttered counter. After, slim cart, freeing counter space. Raised shelf lips prevent bottles from tipping during movement. Low noise casters mean no loud dragging on late nights. Painted MDF resists everyday scuffs and cleans easily. Use it in bathroom, kitchen, laundry, or craft room. Retailers can display compact solutions for space-conscious customers. Thousands of small space owners report immediate organization improvements. Slim profile, mobility, durability, practical storage without everyday sacrifice. Try the Lavish Home Slim Rolling Cart risk-free today. Available in white, dimensions listed for confident purchase decisions. Transform tight gaps into organized space order now. Tired of spilled warm drinks ruining backyard parties? Cramped fridges, chaotic counters, bottles stacked awkwardly everywhere. Running out of space during gatherings or restaurant service? Outdoor weather turns your countertop fridge into unreliable mess. Meet EUHOMY 2. 4-inch under-counter double-drawer stainless steel fridge. Built for patios, bars, hotels, and home kitchens. Top drawer fits up to 21 750 milliliters red wine bottles. Bottom drawer stores 7,330 milliliters cans, neatly and accessibly. Each drawer includes one extendable shelf for flexible organization. Heavy items? Telescopic rails hold up to 50 kilograms. Weatherproof 304 stainless steel resists corrosion and outdoor wear. Highly airtight seals and microcellular foam minimize temperature fluctuations. 360-degree air duct ensures even, frost-free cooling everywhere. Active bottom cooling and front venting prevent cabinet damage. Front vented design fits under counters without cutting cabinet holes. Compact 22. 6DX 23. 4WX 34. 3H fits tight spaces. Touch electronic panel sets temperatures from 37 to 65 Fahrenheit. LED lighting and sensor make nighttime access effortless. Power failure memory restores last set temperature automatically. Commercial-grade compressor and efficient insulation save energy long-term. Ideal for restaurants, caterers, outdoor kitchens, and busy households. Before, drinks cluttered, warm, hard to find quickly. After, organized drawers, consistent chill, smooth full extension access. Durable soft close rails and sleek tubular handles enhance usability. ETL, DOE, and CEC, certified for reliable professional performance. Installation options: built-in, under-counter, or freestanding in any room. Weatherproof for outdoor islands, patios, and poolside service needs. Backed by 12-month support and responsive customer service. EUHOMY double drawer fridge organizes, chills, and performs reliably. Upgrade your chilled storage order EUHOMY now for peace of mind. Choosing a spice rack? Compare function, space, and durability today. Most plastic racks rattle, sag, and look cheap quickly. Adhesive-only racks fail on tile or peel over time. Deep drawer organizers hide spices, wasting wall and sightline. Bulk shelf units take space and hide labels inconveniently. Now compare. Our 4-tier iron wall spice rack. Matte black powder-coated steel looks sleek and resists rust. Each tier holds up to 6 standard spice jars. 4 separate racks give flexible spacing and modular layout. Mount with screws for permanence or adhesive for renters. Included hardware: multiple screw sizes plus reusable adhesive hooks. redesigned 2.5x2, 5x11. 5-inch depth reduces jar rattling noticeably. Iron construction outlasts plastic, supports heavier bottles reliably. Label holders keep names visible. No searching mid-recipe. Visual demo. Plastic rack sagging versus our rigid metal shelf. Watch jars wobble on plastic, then stay snug on ours. Measure fit. 9, 5-inch usable shelf fits standard jars neatly. Closet, pantry, cabinet door, RV, wall mounts everywhere. Installation demo, screws for sturdiness, adhesive for no-drill convenience. Compared to drawer chaos, these display spices for fast access. Ideal for small kitchens, apartments, RVs, and professional kitchens. Commercial-grade finish suits restaurants and retail displays impressively. Holds up to 24 jars without cluttering the countertop. Compare price per durability. Metal lasts years. Plastic needs replacement. Buying tip: measure jar heights before final rack spacing arrangement. If you rent, use adhesive hooks for damage-free setup. If permanent, choose screws and anchors for maximum stability. Summary: modular, durable, stylish storage beats cheap alternatives easily. This rack optimizes space, visibility, and cooking workflow immediately. Ready to upgrade? Click Buy Now for streamlined spice organization. Tired of bottles rolling and wasting fridge space? Meet EUHOMY stackable wine racks, instant fridge and cabinet solution. Perfect for kitchens, pantries, fridges, countertops, and bar displays. Got too many wine bottles or water bottles? This organizer keeps bottles visible, accessible, and upright. Each pack includes 4 clear PET racks, 1 bottle capacity each. Transparent design displays labels while protecting cork integrity. Molded cradle holds standard 750 milliliters bottles securely, prevents rolling. Stackable grooves interlock firmly, doubling vertical storage space. Anti-slip strips and thickened base ensure stable stacking. Dimensions: 8.1 by 4.3 by 4.1 inches slim footprint. Lightweight PET acrylic is durable, transparent, and easy clean. Interlocking slots align bottles horizontally for airflow and visibility. Fits fridge doors, shelves, cabinets, countertops, and pantry bins. Free combination options let you customize stacking and layout. Use side by side or stacked to match your space. Save space instantly, double capacity without extra shelving. Keeps labels visible so you find bottles faster. Stable design prevents tipping, spilling, or crushed labels. Ideal for water bottles, tumblers, cans, and condiments too. No more cluttered shelves, everything organized and accessible. Reclaim fridge space for food, not rolling bottles. Quick to assemble, reposition, and clean, zero hassle. Clear material integrates with any kitchen decor seamlessly. Great for home cooks, hosts, restaurants, and retailers. Affordable organization that upgrades your daily kitchen experience. Try the EUHOMY set small boxes, big impact. 4 racks per pack give flexible, modular storage options. Order now to streamline your fridge and cabinets today. Click Add to Cart. Transform your storage in minutes. I remember standing on tiptoes reaching for a memory box. My daughter laughed, saying I should ask for help. Then I found the Double Elite 3-step folding ladder. Matte black, compact, and gentle looking, instantly felt like a new helper. Its wide-ribbed pedals made climbing calm and reassuring. The triangular frame stood steady under my cautious weight. I worried about balance, but the ladder held me firmly. Anti-slip rubber caps kept it grounded on hardwood floors. Made of full steel alloy, it felt durable and safe. Surprisingly lightweight at 10 pounds, easy to carry anywhere. It folds flat to 2 inches, space instantly regained. Slides under beds, tucks behind doors, fits into car trunks. Works for me, my kids, even grandma uses it safely. It raises you 26.5 inches with ease. Max load 3 30-pounds confidence for every task. Perfect for changing bulbs, hanging photos, reaching high cabinets. Also becomes a cozy plant stand or bedside display. The wide 11x7 pedals feel secure underfoot. Thickened beams and locking support braces inspire quiet trust. Arrives, assembled, set up in seconds, without extra tools. For small apartments, RVs, or busy family kitchens, it fits. Stylish matte black finish complements home decor, not eyesore. I trust it for chores, decoration, and little surprises. Safety mattered most now. I climb without second guessing. It gave us small, everyday victories and quieter evenings. Gifting, it felt like offering daily help and dignity. Everyone deserves a reliable step, the little ladder that cares. Bring home safety, style, and space-saving practicality today. Choose Double Elite 3-step folding ladder for loving homes. Order now, make everyday tasks safer and more joyful. There you have it. 7 Amazon finds like the 4-tier narrow cabinet for $85.99 and fridge wine racks at $23.99 that make every inch count. Grab them via the links below, smash that like button if this saved your kitchen, and subscribe for more EDC and gadget reviews. See you next time.